Merry Christmas, boys and girls. This was our big new toy for this year for Christmas. This is the DJI Pocket 2. I figured I'd record this just for posterity. Alright, let's see what this little guy looks like. It is a tiny box, very tiny. Look how small. Fancy box, wow. It is tiny. It is tiny. Oh, I think these are all the attachments and stuff. I guess this is like a little tripod mount. This is just the regular Pocket 2. There's also the creator bundle that comes with a bunch of extra stuff. Oh, this is the little like joystick that you can use with it. This is a USB-C connector. So you can connect it to your phone that has USB-C. And then, yeah, this is the lightning one, which is the one that I'm probably gonna use. There's a lightning one for your iPhone. We also got a cable. Oh, and a wrist strap. That's very nice. It's very nice of them. We also get papers. Oh, no way. We get DJI stickers. That's sick. Nice. Wow. It's so small. Nice. So we have this little, like, case for it, which is cute. So I'm guessing we pull all these little tabs here. Here's a tiny little screen, tiny little power button, USB-C charger on the bottom, little record buttons. Here's the actual lens itself. Oh, so this is how you can switch out different little I don't know, like modules, I guess you would call these. Actually, I think I'm gonna set this up off camera. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. I'll see you soon. Bye.